So we urgently need more talents for additive manufacturing. And this is exactly the reason why we set up this competition for students, because we need more gold dust who's really capable of designing in AM and thinking in AM. And I'm really overwhelmed how many great people, great teams showed their very innovative approaches to us. And I'm really looking forward to the next competition next year. We are definitely planning to do a next competition next year and to make it even bigger and more international, and getting all those brilliant ideas from young people. The highlight of this weekend was definitely the presentation of the teams. There is so much spirit and brilliant ideas in it, and what I really liked is the joint approach. Everyone was networking with everybody, and there was not really a competition between those young guys. And I guess there are now some more friends in the world linked by additive manufacturing.